circle. In other words, inscribed. Kind of like an inscribed angle is on the word wall behind me. Make sure you have a pencil, have a highlighter, have a protractor, and have even that patty paper that we used from the previous couple of pages, page 236 and 237. In case you're wondering, this is connected directly to one of the learning goals. We are constructing a square inscribed in a circle. We're going to use patty paper and a compass and a straight edge. And so we got to finish out discussing on that one. And if you need to go back and check any of the work that we've done so far, check the previous videos. Thank you very much. Consider AD and CE. I've considered them. It might be helpful to highlight AD, one color, and highlight CE, another color. And if you're thinking about it, you know, looking at the two things that they do, they go across the square, corner to corner, corner to corner. So that makes them diagonals. They are diagonals of what? Of square ACDE. All right, cool. A square is definitely something happening in this figure. Not only that, though, they're also going from one side of a circle to the other side. That makes them a chord, or better yet, more specifically, a diameter. And also diameters of circle. Now we name a circle by its center. So we're going to say circle B. There it is. That's all we needed. To describe the relationship, further considering, huh? I see what you're trying to make me do. Describe the relationship between them. I mean, legit, it happens right here. Highlight it, pointed at it, highlight it in. The fact that the way they're created is opposing each other perpendicularly. They are... Oh, it's a square, by the way. Diagonals of a square bisect. They are perpendicular bisectors to each other. There it is. They are perpendicular bisectors to each other. Well, all right, let's do this. Let's construct a square inside a circle. In fact, this is such a critical thing that I want you to know how to do. I'm going to test you on it. This is going to be on the test. So let's get a zoom in. Let's bring back my face. There we go. Highlight this question because this question absolutely is going to be something I'm going to ask you to do on an upcoming test. Step 1, draw a diameter with a straight edge, right? With a straight edge. Now, there's a couple of different ways to do the next step, which is a perpendicular bisector. I know it's a bisector because I'm going to draw my other diameter going through O. So I don't have to worry about the word bisect very much. Ooh, look at that. It's just right there. Okay. I don't have to worry about bisect. All I have to really do is make sure that I'm making a 90-degree angle off of this bisector. So what I'm going to do is extend the line longer. This is kind of a pro tip trick. Maybe it's totally stupid and worthless. But I'm going to go ahead and keep the edge of my protractor on O. And then I'm going to move the protractor's number, this measurement, out to 90. Is this the perfect way to do it? No, this is like barely. Euclid himself would have been like, slap yourself. There's no way this is going to work. And yet I would have said, sir, we have the power of protractors. And so I'm going to use it. Where the diameters meet the edge of the circle, where they intersect, I'm going to put points. In fact, I'm going to label it like I labeled the circle up above. A, C, D, E. I hope that looks similar to what we just looked at circle-wise. And then if you connect the places where the diameters cross the circle, these chords of the circle, a C, CD, and then DE. Again, I'm human, so if I make a mistake, I might want to erase and kind of like make an adjustment. If I'm confident in it, I would say that's a pretty doggone good looking circle. You must do it like this on the test because anything else is taking a shortcut, and shortcuts, well, they sometimes turn into disastrous dead ends. All right. Thank you for watching this video. That's all there is to show you. I have nothing left for you to know about this one. Let me see it when you work on this one. Show me that you've followed what I did here, and then be ready for it on the test. I'll go ahead and stop talking so we can end this video. But I will say, check me on the next activity, next video. It is on bisecting an angle. Thanks for sticking around. See you in the next video.